Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today I got into motorized support legs for the Tamiya Grand Hauler. And this is actually a kit that goes onto a trailer, but it also has the servo controlled coupler. So I got this upgrade installed. I did it off camera just because I've never done this before and there were some things I wanted to test out. But I'll show you what I did. Now there's a couple things going on here. The multi-function unit actually has a coupler sound effect. So there's a cable that runs from this coupler up into the multi-function unit. This is the coupler that comes with the Grand Hauler kit, and it actually has a spot to put the controller wire that runs from the coupler up into the multi-function unit. The coupler that comes with the kit, it's actually bigger, and it doesn't have a spot to put that wire. It doesn't have the holder. So I had to go ahead and use the original. But with using the original, I had to do a few customizations, so I went ahead and did that. First thing I did was I got the rod. It's the shortest rod that comes with the kit, and I set it to a custom length, which is a little shorter than what they recommend in the book. Also, for the servo plate, I mounted it one hole back. So instead of these two holes, I have it mounted on these two holes, which gives it the extra room that it needs. So this is a Savox 230, and this is the stock plate that comes with the support legs, the coupler unit. And you can see a lot of that blue from the servo. So what I did was I ordered an extra part. So it's part number 56535. It's an aluminum coupler plate. And this plate will fit right on down in, and it'll cover up that blue servo pretty nicely. Plus it's aluminum. I think it'll look pretty cool on the Grand Hauler. The instructions say that when you hook this up, you got to remove the fender flares that come with the Grand Hauler kit. But honestly, I don't know why, because everything fits perfectly with the side skirts. And by the way, you're getting a little sneak peek of the paint. The paint isn't finished. I still need a couple more coats, and I need to put the gloss clear coat over it. But you get an idea of what it's going to look like. Alright, so back to the unit. I will show you how it works. Alright, so everything's hooked up to my Spectrum DX6, and when I flip the switch here and I put the toggle over, that will activate the coupler. So then all I need to do now is move the right stick and the coupler opens up. Now if I had a trailer or something like that, that'd be cool, but I don't have a trailer yet. But I will show you what the sound effect sounds like when a trailer gets hooked up. So pretend that my screwdriver is the pin that would go into the coupler. When I have it open and the pin goes in, it makes the sound of a trailer hooking up. And when I take the trailer off, it makes the sound of a trailer being unconnected. Now some other good luck that happened with getting the support leg kit. The kit actually came with a 67mm rod. So I actually have my transmission working now. I have everything set up to this top switch. So if I'm down to the first position, that's low gear, second gear, and high gear. And to keep straighten up the servo, mostly just run right in the middle, second gear. Unless I'm hauling a load or a trailer, I don't really see a need to run in low gear. I'm not going to go that fast. So second gear seems to be the sweet spot, and it runs good on my test drives. And the other thing I got in today was from RPP Hobby. I got the spare part kit that had the fuel tanks. If you remember, I exploded my last fuel tanks using Loctite on plastic. So I got the new fuel tanks in, got them all hooked up, and it's looking sweet. Alright guys, so that's about it. Just wanted to show you what the coupler unit look like. I do have the support leg, so once I get a trailer, I can hook that up. I'm waiting for some more paint to come in. Once that comes in, I can finish painting the body, get all the extra accessories put on, and this thing is going to be wrapped up fairly soon. But if you like what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I will catch everybody on the next one. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.